A very good morning to all of you, and I welcome you all in English elective class. So, today we are having our first class of English elective. Before starting the chapter, firstly, I want to discuss with you the syllabus of English elective so that everything is clear with you. So, in English elective, we are having three sections. Section A will be reading part, section B, writing skills, and section C will be of literature textbooks. In section A, the reading part will be of 20 marks. There will be two comprehension, one from passage and one from poem. Unseen passage will be of 12 marks and poem will be of 8 marks. Clear? And in section B, there were two long writings. Two long writings. Firstly, an essay, but it may be argumentative, discursive, reflective, descriptive, leading to creative rendering, forming and defending of opinions. And secondly, a composition, long composition like articles, report, a speech. Contemporary topical issues to be a part of article, report, and speech writing means contemporary issues will be there. As like nowadays, corona virus is spread, so may be your topic regarding this. I just mean to say that contemporary issue will be there. So, section C, this is your literature part, literature textbooks. So, you are having here three books. Firstly, I want to tell you about the books. Firstly, textbooks is Woven Words. So, in this book, you are having three parts: short stories, poems, and essays. Fiction. Fiction means imaginary work. So, in fiction, you are having one novel, The Old Man and the Sea. And then drama. One drama is there, Arms and the Man. One thing remember here that now you have opt elective. So you should aware of such type of words like drama, fiction, non-fiction, stories, short stories, because you will learn all such things in elective. So this is your syllabus. I think now every point regarding your syllabus is clear with all of you. Now we will move towards our first book, Woven Words. In this book, we are having these contents. Short stories, 8 short stories we are having. In poetry, we are having 12 poems. Essay, we are having 7. So, today we will start with a very first chapter, The Lament. The Lament by Anton Chekhov. So this is a short story. So firstly we will start our short stories. One question arises our mind that what is short story? So a short story is a fiction work. It is a fiction work that tells us about any important events with a limited number of characters that you can read in one sitting. So a short story is a short story, we can say that, in which only one important event is discussed and you can read in one sitting, and it is having a limited number of characters. The Lament, firstly we will read this. Firstly, I want to tell you the meaning of lament. The meaning of the lament means expression of grief or sorrow. When we feel sad and we are having some complaints, that thing we call the lament, and it is written by Anton Chekhov. So in this story we are having one main character. Here is a man, you can see in the picture with the horse. He is a cab driver and snow is falling, everywhere is snow. So now we will start the chapter, The Lament by Anton Chekhov. It is twilight Twilight means dark time, dusk time, evening time. A thick wet snow is slowly twirling around the newly lighted streets lamp and lying in soft thin layers on roofs, on horses' back, on people's shoulders and hats. So it is evening time and there is a snow everywhere. Twirling means rotating, swinging quickly. So there is snow everywhere on lighted street lamps, on soft thin layers on roofs, on horses' back, on people's shoulders, on hats. The cab driver here is a first main character, Iona Potapov. Iona Potapov is the main protagonist of this chapter. He is quite white. Here is his complexion is mentioned that he is white in color and looks like a phantom. Phantom means ghost. He is bent double as far as a human body can bend double. So he is just sitting in bent position. He is seated on his box. He never makes a move. Matlab he is just sitting without any movement. If a whole snowdrift fell on him, it means to say that if so much snow fall on him, it seemed as he would not find it necessary to shake it off. That it's not important for him to shake off the snow falling on his shoulders. His little horse is also quite white and remains motionless. Its immobility, its angularity, its straight wooden looking legs, even close by, give it the appearance of a gingerbread horse. Worth Kopic. So, understand this what the writer want to say here, that like him his horse is also of white in color and he is motionless means he is not moving. Immobility means state of not moving, motionless. Angularity, in that angle he was standing, its straight wooden looking legs and its legs are looking like a wooden. From close, it looked like gingerbread horse. Gingerbread horse means look like a biscuit. There were shapes of biscuits, no? Like a horse-shaped biscuit is it. Worth a kopeck. Kopeck is currency here. That with the cost of a kopeck. It is no doubt plunged in deep thought. That there is no doubt that the Iona Potapov is lost into his deep thoughts. If you were snatched from the plough, from your usual grey surroundings, and were thrown into this slough full of monstrous lights, unceasing noise, and hurrying people, you too would find it difficult not to think. Here the writer is saying that if we snatch you, take you from the plough, from this scene, from your usual grey surrounding means there where they are environment they are having, if you were thrown to a monstrous lights means they are full of lights are there, a lot of noise is there and so many people hustle bustle is there. If we will throw you from a peaceful environment to such environment, you would find difficult not to think. And surely you will think something. You will lost in your thoughts. So now I just want to summarize this para again. So here we have seen that it is evening time and snow is falling and the cab driver Aina Potapov is white in color and he is just sitting without any movement and his horse is also look like him. He is just motionless and he looks like gingerbread horse. Okay, and Iona is lost into his thoughts. And then the writer says that if I take you from a peaceful environment to an environment full of noise, lights, people, you would same in the same way you would also think something. Like the Iona, you will also lost into your thoughts. Iona and his little horse have not moved from their place for a long while. They left their yard before dinner and up to now not a fear. Here the writer is saying that Iona and his little horse are not moving for a long while. They left their house before dinner and up to now they have not earned anything. They left their yard before dinner. Sorry, I repeated the line. The evening mist is descending over the town. The white lights of the lamps are replacing brighter rays, and the hum of the street is getting louder. Cabby for Bivog Way suddenly hears Iona. Cabby. The evening mist. Evening time. Mist means kohra. The evening mist is descending over the town. It is spreading over the town, and the white lights of the lamp are replacing brighter rays. And how means so much noise, so much hustle bustle is there, is getting louder. And now Iona hears a voice. Cabby. Cabby for we walk way means cabby means he's a cab driver, so a person is calling him by naming cabby, and he's also addressing that he want to go to by walk way. Iona jumps and through his snow covered eyes lashes sees an officer in a great coat with his hood over his head. Iona suddenly jumps because he was just lost into his thoughts when he hear a noise. So he jumps, and the snow over his eyelashes also. He looked at the officer. There was an officer in front of him in a great coat and with his hood over his head, hat over his head. By work way, the officer repeat. Now the officer repeats again that he wants to go to by work way. Are you sleeper? By work way. Now he is angrily asking the Iona because he was not getting up. That's why again and again he is saying that by work way, by work way. So till now everything is clear. Now we will move towards second page of this chapter. With the note